Okay, welcome to my flash tutorial on animating sequence with a walking cycle. Okay, as you can see we have a blank stage here. We need to now check our blank stage, make sure we have the right layout. I choose designer view, if you'd like to choose designer view. Okay, whoops, we'll get that back again. Okay, now we'd like to also check that we have 20 frames a second chosen. 20 frames, yes, that's right. Okay, now we're going to need two layers in this first scene. So we've got layer 1. Just click on here to make another layer, so new layer. Oops, delete that third layer. We won't be needing that one. Okay, now we're going to label this layer 2, walking cycle, and layer 1 will be ground. Next thing, okay, we're going to click on the ground layer just here and choose the line tool and stroke up to about size 20. Choosing a green fill for the grass, we're going to use a dark green. Come down to the bottom here and just drag the line tool across the bottom till it reaches the other side. Now click on this line and just drag it down a little bit till it touches the bottom. There we have our ground. Okay, we're going to now choose our number of frames we're going to be using. So for this one we're going to use up to about 80 frames, so we get at least 4 seconds of walking. So click on both of those and right click and then put in insert keyframe. Now we have 80 frames and we have our ground. So the next step is to just block off the ground there so we don't delete that. Click on to the walking cycle layer. Now we're going to create our symbols. So the first symbol we need to create is the head for the character. So click on the oval tool, make the outline black, and the outline size can be around about 1. You can type in 1, and we have a fill of a skin color fill. So looking to be about maybe that color fill. Okay, next thing we're going to do is just draw a circle, oval shaped circle, like a human for a face. And now we're just going to also draw, I'm going to grab the pencil tool just here and just draw a line for the mouth. And also for the nose, we'll just draw a bit of a nose like that. And for the eyes, we'll just use the circle tool again, but we will just put the fill color into blank mode. And now just drawing the eye, have one eye there, and we have another eye just there. Okay, we don't need too much detail. This is just a demonstration of walking cycle, so we just don't need too much facial features. So that'll do for now. Now we'll just highlight that and select all of that, and now we're going to make that a symbol. So firstly we'll just group that together so that stays in one. So modify, combine objects, and union. So we union that, select it again, go to modify and convert to symbol, and we'll call it head, and just press OK. Sure, now that appears into our library. So now we've got our head, so let's just delete that, and then now we'll do our torso, which is the body. So selecting the line tool, we'll just use the black line, one stroke. So starting around here, we draw a straight line down to about here, another straight line down to there, and one on a bit of a diagonal, and then one coming up, and then another one coming up on a bit of a diagonal till we get to the top, and then one going across. So now we'll click on all of those, select those, and we'll go to Modify, Combine Objects, and Union. Now just select that again, and we'll give that a fill color. So we'll choose the blue color, so we'll use blue. Now we'll just convert that into a symbol, modify, convert to symbol, and call that torso. Okay, now we can delete that and come back to our line tool again. Now we're going to do the arm. So we'll just create the arm by going on a diagonal, keeping it in proportion to the torso. So across like that, down like that. Not too much of a steep angle, but that should be about the angle that we need. And across like that, up again, and then up once more, and then across here again. Down here for the hand, we need to come on a slight angle there, and across again, and across again. So now we'll select that, and we'll go Modify, we'll go Combine Objects, and we'll create Union. Now we want to do a fill, so we use the same blue. So we'll give that a fill color. Now let's just click on the hand to give that a skin tone, so double click there, and we'll choose that skin tone. So we have the skin tone for the hand there. Now we'll just highlight all of that, and click Modify and convert to symbol. Now we'll just call that arm. That appears into our library. So the last one we have to do is the leg. So we'll just click the line tool again, and we'll draw a line down on an angle, and another line down on an angle, maybe straight, either straight down, and then the foot coming down on a slight angle there. We can come down to about there, and then across like that, up like that, and splay it out a little bit, and then across like this until it joins together. Okay, now just select all, Modify, Combine Objects, and Union, and we'll go for another fill. So we'll use the blue tool, blue fill selection there, and now we need to convert that into a symbol. Modify, convert to symbol, and call that leg. Now, let's just make sure we have combined that. So we've actually, we've made that a whole one object. So now we've got a leg there. So we'll just delete that. And in our library here we have our arm, our head, our leg, and our torso. Now for the left leg and the right arm, we're just going to use the same leg and the same arm. So now we need to create one more movie clip just to put all our body bits together. So we'll just create a line across here like that, and we'll convert that to a symbol. Modify, convert to the symbol, and we'll call this body. We'll call it body walk. Body walk. Okay, we've got that there. So now we just click on that line again, and we delete that line, and we click on body walk. Come over to here, select the line, delete the line. We don't need that. Now, first thing we need to do is to select the head. Drag the head to the stage. Okay, we have the head there. Now we need to create 6 layers for 6 body parts. So just select the layer icon there and need 6 layers including the head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the head makes 6. Okay, so first thing we need to do now is to go to layer 1 and label that left leg. Layer 2, left arm. Layer 3, torso. Layer 4, right leg. And layer 5, right arm. And layer 6, we've got to label that as the head. So, okay, we'll just place that head there by unselecting and pasting onto the head layer. Edit and paste in place. There we go. So we grab the first left leg, we'll come over to the library here and we'll grab the left leg and we'll paste that onto the stage. We'll grab the torso by coming up to here and placing that onto the stage. Grab the left arm, well just the arm symbol up here, and drag that onto the stage. So we have our left arm, that which will go in behind there. We'll grab our right leg, so another leg, and the next one, the right arm, so we'll grab another arm. So we'll position these into place. So we'll grab the, we'll just grab the left leg first. And we'll place that left leg just there. And for the left arm, we'll just place the left arm to about there. But we'll need to rotate that shortly. So grab the right leg and place the right leg around about here. And the right arm, just drag across to here. Place the right arm around about in that position there. So with the left arm, we'll just right click and do free transform, and then just swivel the arm around, rotate the arm till it comes into about that position there. And the same with the right arm. Right click, go down to free transform, and you'll see a tick there. Now we're just going to rotate that, so just down on the bottom here, rotate that, bring that back to about that position there. And with the right arm leg, we just rotate that as well. So rotate the right leg, bring that back to about that position there. And we'll just bring this, zoom this up a bit. Okay, and with the left leg, just right click on your mouse button and click free transform. And we'll rotate this leg a little bit to that direction there. And the one that needs to be on the ground is going to be most likely going to be the left leg. So we'll have to actually bring this left leg